M1 and M2. One is concave and other is convex. This is M1. This has focal length 10 centimeter, and this is M2. M2 has focal length 15 centimeter. Distance between poles of these two mirrors is 70 centimeter. Okay, and an object AB capped at a distance of 30 centimeter from pole of M1. This is an object AB capped at a distance of 30 centimeter from M1. Always take first reflection from M1. Okay, we will consider M1 first and then M2. So when you are considering reflection from M1, consider pole of M1 as origin. Okay, so this is your origin, 0, 0. Right hand side of origin positive, left hand side of origin negative. So we must take first reflection from M1, and first image of M1 will act as an object for M2. Let's write it. Note, image of M1 will act as object for M2. Object for M2. So let's try to find where image of M1 will form with the help of mirror formula. But we cannot use our old sign convention. Now remember, because we are making image with M1, that's why pole of M1 is origin. So your object distance is plus 30 in this case. Consider reflection from M1. Reflection from M1. So focal length, where focus of this concave mirror lies, right hand side. So that's why focal length will be positive. Okay, because focus will be right hand side. Okay, and because center of curvature of M1 is this side, that's why focus is also this side, and everything right hand side of the pole is positive. So focal length is plus 10 centimeter. Object distance is plus 30 centimeter. Image distance we don't know. Let's apply mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by tan is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 30. Let's try to find v. Pages निकाल दो. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30. LCM will be 30. 3 plus 1. So v is equal to 30 by 4. That is 7.5 centimeter plus 7.5 centimeter. So your we'll get first image at 7.5 centimeter from pole of M1. Agree? Till this everyone agree? Please show me a thumbs up sign. Any problem till this? Okay. Now in case 2, we will consider reflection from M2. Now we will consider reflection from M2. Okay, now let's make only M2 and ignore M1. M2 is a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. It is given in the diagram. Focal length of the second mirror is 15 centimeter, and now this is origin. Now pole of mirror 2 is origin. Okay, what is the image distance? The distance between mirrors I already gave you, 70 centimeter. This is given. Distance between the mirrors is 70 centimeter. It is given, right? Now what is distance of image of first mirror from M2? See, we got first image is 7.5 centimeter. So first image, see here we will get, this is our first image at a distance 7.5, right? So this is 7.5 and this complete is 70. So this distance must be 70 minus 7.5. This is our image. This is first image, and this distance will be 70 minus 7.5. How much it will come? 70 minus 62.5 centimeter, right? So this is object distance. This is pole, and focal length will lie right hand side. Center of curvature, focal, because focus is at right hand side. Again focal length must be positive. Let's apply mirror formula once again. Object distance minus 62.5 because it is at left hand side. 62.5. Let's solve this to get image distance. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 62.5. So this is the position of final image. From solving this, we can get position of final image. How to solve this? How we can solve this? Use calculator and give me answer, please. Solve this. We'll get V as 62.5 into 15 divided by 62.5 plus 15 कितना हो जाएगा? 77.5. Can you solve this for me? This is your final answer. How much? यार कनेक्ट ही नहीं था यार, देखना चाहिए था ना. इसको पॉज कर दो. सेंटीमीटर. ओके, so distance of first image from the second mirror will be 70 minus 15. How much? 70 minus 15, 55 centimeter, right? Right? राजुल, वो रिकॉर्डिंग गड़बड़ हो गया, अभी क्या करना है? Origin and the object distance. First image will act as object for second mirror, 55 centimeter. Now let's this first image will act as object, so this must be object distance, right? Minus 55 centimeter. Focus is 15 centimeter because this will lie right hand side. That's why it must be positive. Now let's apply once again mirror formula. Minus 1 by 55. Okay, now solve this. This is correct. You will get correct answer now. So the value of V will be, दिख रहा है पूरा राजुल वो उधर तक? Okay, तो value of V will be 15 into 55 divided by 15 plus 55. How much we will get? Again अंकिता कट गया. 12 पक्का. 15 into 55 ये कितना हो जाएगा? 70 ना. तो सॉल्व कर दो. Ankita saying 12, but I cannot believe Ankita. 11.785 पक्का ना? Centimeter, sorry. Means your final image is this side. Like this. At a distance of 11.785. Okay. Centimeter. Everyone understood this? Anyone want to see solution again?